Hello, Hazel.
Hello, mommy.
What you doing?
I want to cook.
What you cook?
I want to cook French fries.
Fried rice. Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Yeah, that's nasi goreng. What the other one? That one?
Nasi goreng hot
This.
dog.
That is hot dog. So you will eat nasi goreng and hot dog? Mm. Show me what the nasi goreng look like. Like that? Show me. To mommy. You make what is that?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng. Show me, mommy. Oh, nasi goreng in the food. Is that delicious?
What is it saying?
We put that one for the rice. Nasi goreng. Bye-bye. Matanitine. Kiss bye, please. Bye. What is name?
French fries.
Fries. What? French fries? Not French fries. French fries is potato. This one, fried rice. What the name? What the name?
French fries.
Fried rice. Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Yes. What the name?
Nasi goreng.
Nasi goreng.
Like this.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.